Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding structure of atom. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So please, my humble advice is watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. The topic is structure of atom. First, what is atom? What is the structure of atom? I will show an image of an atom. This is the structure of atom. It contains 4 orbitals with orbits. Middle of the contain nucleus and it contains SPDF, shells, KLMN, subshells and 1, 2, 3, 4. It contains shells numeric value. It is the structure of atom. Next, spectrum. What is spectrum? Spectrum is nothing but a group of wavelength and frequencies is known as spectrum. The spectrum are 4 types: emission spectrum, continuous spectrum, line spectrum and band spectrum. First, we will discuss about emission spectrum. The emission spectrum is nothing but which are emitted by radiation is known as emission spectrum. Continuous spectrum, example for rainbow or any light. When we light on a laser light or any rainbow, it continuous will be flow. So here we conclude that the rainbow is the example for continuous spectrum, and discontinuous spectrum is example for line spectrum and band spectrum. The line spectrum is nothing but it contains distinct lines in the further way. Example for in a hydrogen atom contain the distinct lines. It is line spectrum. And band spectrum, it contain broad way and black structure. It is band spectrum. These are the types of spectrum. And next is electromagnetic wave. The electromagnetic wave is flow in the air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second speed. It contain electric field, magnetic field and direction of field. In the electromagnetic wave, it will be flow like UV rays, IR rays, this like structure. I will show the image of electromagnetic wave. This is the structure of electromagnetic wave and this is the direction of propagation of wave. In this way, the wave will be flow. This is electric field arrow. This is magnetic field. This is wavelength. It will flow in the air. The speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Nothing but the speed of light. It will be flow the electric field directions with the wave-like structure. And electromagnetic spectrum. This is the image of electromagnetic spectrum. In this electromagnetic spectrum, the various materials will be produced and rays. How the radiation will be produced? With the help of spectrums and the wavelength and frequencies. The wavelengths will be produced. Here, 10 power minus 12 meters, the cosmic rays will be produced. 10 power minus 10, 1 nanometer is equals to X-rays, UV rays will be produced. The micro rays, IR rays, radar rays will be produced in the presence of 1 millimeter. In a 1 meter radio rays, in 1 kilometer broadcast band. Here equal to 1 kilometer. In that ultraviolet rays, UV rays will be produced in the short wavelength. And the IR rays will be produced long wavelength. In the between short wavelength and the long wavelength, the different colors will be produced. VIBGYOR. In the presence of short wavelength, long wavelength, the different colors will be produced. In the presence of 400 nanometers, the ultraviolet rays will be produced. In the presence of 500 to 600 nanometers, the VIBGR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, the different colors will be produced. And 700 nanometer, the infrared rays will be produced. This is the structure of electromagnetic spectrum. Next, do you know what is the Planck's constant value? The Planck's constant value is nothing but 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joules. This is the value of Planck's constant. Next topic is, what is the principal quantum number? The quantum number is nothing but the propagation of n, l and ml. It is the numbers of quantum. The various different types of quantum numbers is there. Principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, or angular momentum quantum number is also known as azimuthal quantum number. And next topic is magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. First, we will discuss about principal quantum number. The principal quantum number is proposed by Niels Bohr. The principal quantum number is introduced the shape and size of the orbitals. It will be present in the SPDF and 0, 1, 2, 3. And next, azimuthal quantum number. The azimuthal quantum number is introduced by Sommerfeld. The angular momentum quantum number is also known as azimuthal quantum number. Here, azimuthal quantum number is introduced the shape of the orbital, and it is also known as KLMN and 1, 2, 3, 4. And next topic is magnetic quantum number. Here, magnetic quantum number is introduced by Lende. The magnetic quantum number is introduced the structure of the orbital and the location of the orbital in a orbit. This is the function of the magnetic quantum number. And here the numeric value plus of minus of. And next, spin quantum number. The spin quantum number is introduced by Gauss-Smith. The spin quantum number is introducing the orientation of the electron. It will be present the orientation of the electron in an orbital. And next topic is electronic configuration. Do you know what is electronic configuration? It is equals to NLX method. The NLX method is nothing but the shorthand notations. Example for the carbon electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Nothing but atomic number is 6. So here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. And oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the electronic configuration of oxygen. By this process, we have to note the atomic quantum number in a shell-like structure in s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. I will show the structure of s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. This is the structure of s orbital. It is in the form of sphere. This is the structure of p orbital. It is in the form of dumbbell shape. With the process of px orbital, py orbital, pz orbital, the complete p orbital will be present. D orbital. By the combination of dyz, dxy, dxy, dx square minus dy square. This is the orbitals. By shaping, the complete d orbital will be present. This is double dumbbell orbital. Nothing but d orbital. This is the shells in the atom. The next topic is Pauli's exclusion principle. And here the Pauli's exclusion principle is introducing the no two electrons are present in an atom at certain manner. with equal energies and equal shape. It is the Pauli exclusion principle. And Bohr's and next topic is Bohr's hydrogen theory. Here Bohr's explain about the hydrogen theory. When the electron is moving lowest or ground state to upper state, it will be gain the energy. One electron to another electron. Here when the electron is moving ground state to another state, it contain more power and it will be excited state. Here explained by Bohr. And next topic is Bohr's and Sommerfeld of an atom. I will show the image of how the elliptical orbit are present of an atom. Here first we discuss some about L. Here one s orbital is here. It contains one orbital, elliptical orbital. By observing this, it contains two orbitals. But here we will observe L is equals to 0, L is equals to 1. This is the counted by Bohr and Sommerfeld. Here first we will discuss about L is equal to 0 and next orbit L is equals to 1 and next orbit L is equals to 2. L is equals to 0, next orbit 1, next orbit 2, and next orbit L is equals to 3. So complete orbitals are there 4. Here complete 1, 2, 3, 3. Here N is equals to 2. By the observing of elliptical orbitals in an atom, they decided the complete structure of the atom. This is the process of Bohr-Sommerfeld of an atom theory. And Aufbau principle. Do you know what is Aufbau principle? Aufbau means building up. It is a Greek word. Aufbau means building up or built up. The building up is nothing but here the Aufbau is expressed as any atomic number or any element electronic configuration will be ground state. By the sharing of electrons, it will be excited state. Nothing but the ground state to another state will be present is expressed by Aufbau principle. And next is Hund's rule. What is Hund's rule? Hund's rule is nothing but when the single electron is contained in any orbital, the sharing of two orbitals is a pairing is known as Hund's rule. And next topic is NLX method. Here NLX method is equals to electronic configuration. Example 1s1. 1s1 the power is known as principal quantum number and S is known as angular momentum quantum number. By the combination of quantum numbers, the electronic configuration will be produced. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat the important questions in the structure of atom. First, what is the structure of atom? Explain the principal quantum number, explain the azimuthal quantum number, explain the magnetic quantum number, and explain the spin quantum number. These were 4 marks in public exam. The same question asked in public exam for several times. It is very important for 8 marks also. Explain total about quantum numbers and explore the Bohr atomic theory. Explain the Aufbau principle. Explain about Hund's rule. Explain about Pauli exclusion principle. And what is NLX method? How the NLX method will be expressed? Which quantum numbers are present in electronic configuration? In this lesson, very important 8 marks and 4 marks questions is quantum number and structure of atoms and shapes of the orbitals. In this lesson, very important for quantum numbers only. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.